Creating and managing customer accounts. This section of the training will provide an overview on creating new customer accounts, as well as an overview of the customer profile and administrative functions available. Creating new customers. If a matching customer is not found after performing a customer search, users will step through the customer profile creation process to create a new account. Click the Create Customer button on the search results screen to initiate this process. First, select the customer's residency status. Customers are required to provide a Kansas driver's license number and Kansas physical address to claim residency. Customers claiming in-state student or active duty military residency status will be required to provide required proof of classification and a student ID or military DOD along with a Kansas physical address. Customers claiming in-state residency without a valid Kansas driver's license will be required to provide an alternative document proof type, as currently required. Next, enter the customer's name and identifiers as prompted on the screen. Required and optional fields, such as driver's license number, may vary based on the customer's date of birth. Once all required fields have been entered, select the Create button to create the account. Once created, you will be taken to the customer's profile page. Customers with a valid email address on file will also receive a system-generated welcome email that includes their customer ID for future use. Viewing and managing existing customer profiles. To view a customer's profile, begin by performing a search to locate their profile. Once you have located a customer, you will be taken to their profile page, which will provide a dashboard of the customer's information and access to administrative functions. By default, the profile will display the customer's name, customer ID number, date of birth, email address, mailing address, and other customer information, as well as a list of all of their current active and unexpired licenses. Updating customer information. To update a customer's information, click the Edit Profile menu option on the customer's profile page. The Edit Profile page will provide administrative users with an editable view of the customer profile page. Edit the desired information and select the Update Customer option when you are ready to save the changes. Viewing customer licenses. The current licenses and permits grid displayed by default on the customer profile page provides a list of active, unexpired licenses currently held by the customer. Users can toggle from the Current Licenses and Permits view to the Limited Draw Applications view to see the full list of draw applications on file for the customer for the current year. The Year drop-down allows users to toggle to previous seasons to view a customer's application history. The Administrative Customer Profile contains a variety of menu options and features to access customer activity and preferences. The left navigation menu provides the ability to view and manage certifications, harvests, auto-renew, settings, and more. We'll take a couple minutes to highlight a few key areas. Linked accounts. Through the Go Outdoors system, Customers can now link their accounts with friends and family members to simplify the purchase process and make purchases for multiple customers in a single transaction. Through the Linked Accounts menu option, users can view and link accounts in real time. Reprint licenses. This provides users the option to reprint a customer's electronic licenses. When this option is clicked, users will have the ability to email a customer's license to their email address on file or choose the View/Print Now button to generate a PDF of the customer's electronic license. From here, users can also add an optional hard card upgrade to the customer's shopping cart. We'll talk about hard cards a little later in the training. Support/notes. Through the Go Outdoors system, administrative users will now have the ability to record and track interactions, communications, and electronic documents for customers. Through the Support Notes feature, administrative users can view department-wide interactions with customers and create and assign support tickets to other system users. We'll cover this feature in detail later on in the training. Documents. Through the Documents page, administrative users can upload scanned paper documents or electronic files to store paperwork or other correspondence with the customer profile. This provides staff with electronic document management features, and all documents uploaded to a customer profile are permanently stored with the account for historical tracking purposes. We'll cover this feature a bit more in the training shortly. Transactions. The Transactions menu option provides users with the ability to view transactions processed for the customer through all sales channels and provides transaction details such as the transaction date and time, the sales channel and user that processed the transaction, transaction amount, and items purchased. License history. The License History menu option provides users with the ability to view a running list of licenses and permits issued to the customer with effective and expiration dates. Harvest Reports. The Harvest Reports menu option displays a list of harvest surveys eligible for completion for the current year and provides the ability to view harvest survey responses. Certifications. The Certifications page provides the ability to view and add certifications, such as Hunter Safety Education and Archery Safety Education. Note that in the new system, licenses and permits requiring safety education will also prompt customers to provide their certification information when adding the item to the cart if the required certification is not already on file. Authorized licenses. The Authorized Licenses page will display a list of any specialty licenses or permits requiring special authorization that the customer is authorized to purchase. Users with appropriate permissions will also have the ability to add authorizations for specialty licenses for special circumstances. Revocations and suspensions. The Revocations menu option provides a view of any active revocations, blocks, or restrictions associated with the customer due to Department of Social Services judgments or wildlife violators compact suspensions. If an active restriction is on file, KDWP staff can view the details from this page. Merge. The merge feature will allow authorized users to merge duplicate customer profiles. We'll step through the process for merging customer profiles a little bit later in the training. Maintenance log. The maintenance log page will provide users with an audit log of changes made to the customer's profile. Note that the audit log will only show changes made to the customer's account through the Go Outdoors system and will not reflect audit information prior to May 1st. Auto Renew. The Auto Renew page will allow administrative users to manage a customer's auto renew settings. From this page, users can turn auto renew on or off for customer licenses and add-ons and manage stored payment methods for auto renew. Wallet. The Go Outdoors system offers customers the ability to securely store payment methods for quicker checkout. The wallet feature allows administrative users to view and manage a customer's stored payment methods. Log in as customer. The Login as Customer feature provides administrative users with the ability to log into the system as a customer in the online sales channel. This can be used for troubleshooting and provides administrative users the ability to log in as the customer online. View preference points. Administrative users can view a customer's preference point balances at any time through this menu option. Preference point balances will be broken down by season. Specialty licenses. This menu option provides the ability to view specialty applications submitted by the customer and also provides the ability for authorized users to submit applications for specialty licenses and permits on behalf of the customer. This concludes the overview section of the customer profile. Next, we'll look at a couple features in detail, including the support notes and ticketing system and electronic document management tools.